Morning all. So this is on the outskirts of Willington, looking towards Repton. And this should be a road. Obviously you can see the bridge down there, slightly obscured by the sun at the minute, but worst flooding I think I've seen for a long time around here. Yeah, so you can just make up where the car park entry is, and that should be a road down there. Yeah, anyway, this is Willington Bridge, and the river should normally be around that area. Yeah, proper water wheel today. So this area you're looking at here should all be a fields. You see how far it's burst all the way down that way. What's impressive though, the road is completely dry. But yeah, I think the river runs along that bit there, where it should be. But like the chap I was speaking to a second ago was saying, the reflections are pretty beautiful. There's no shite in the sky today either, bizarrely. So yeah, what you're looking at there should be a field, and Burton, you can just about make the church spire, the Stapon Hill area, and the water tower in the distance. Yeah, so this is where the public footpath entry would be. It's nothing new. I mean, I think this happens pretty much every year, but swans down there. I think Burton will be really bad. It's quite a lot for my brain to compute, you know, to go from somewhere like East Ham and East London yesterday to somewhere like this. Such a contrast. Let alone if you lived in that place and you rarely leave. Why on earth you'd want to live there permanently? Beyond me. So just over there to orientate, you've got Repton Church, and this is a field just here. Everybody loves a lone tree photo, so a bit of a different one here. As above, so below. So you should be able to make out where the bridge is, just around there. And over here, just shows you how far the flooding stretched. It's not very often you see that, is it? Clear blue sky. Anyway, just what I'm thinking, to me this is more or less the crossroads of England round here. Because it's still like Waterworld. Landscape of Mersey Island, areas of Essex, Northamptonshire, Eastern England are all experiencing this because of the lowland, the flat lands. Around Cambridgeshire for example. But you only have to go 10 miles west towards Ashbourne and you get the hills. And you only have to go up the A38 towards Balpo and Ripley to start getting the hills of Northern England. So the end of Eastern England round here. the water world.